In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file taxes on Turbotax step by step. Filing your taxes might seem daunting, but with Turbotax, the process can be straightforward and manageable. So let's dive in and take this one step at a time. First things first, you'll want to go to the Turbotax official site, open your web browser and type in turbotaxintuit.com. This is your starting point for accessing all the tools you'll need to file your taxes. Once you're on the site, the next step is to look for the sign in button. You'll typically find this at the top right corner of the Turbotax homepage. Clicking on this will bring you to the login screen where you can securely enter your credentials to access your account. If you don't have an account, you can easily create one by following the prompts for new users. After signing in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. This is where you can manage your tax-related activities. On this page, locate and click on Tax Home. This will take you to an overview of your tax filings where you can see your current and previous tax returns. For most people, getting started with tax filing begins here. Next, you have the option to select TurboTax Free Edition for the current tax year, which is a great choice if you qualify for a simple return. Navigate to this section to begin entering your tax information. This user-friendly version guides you through common income types and deductions, making it easier for you to handle your taxes without unnecessary stress. Once you've selected your edition, it's time to dig a little deeper by examining your tax information more closely. Click on Review/Edit. This section allows you to go over the information you've entered to ensure accuracy. It's crucial to take your time here, as you want to prevent any errors that might cause issues later on. Review each entry carefully and make any necessary adjustments. Moving on, click on My Info. This includes personal details that Turbotax uses to tailor the filing process to your needs. This part is essential because accurate personal information ensures that Turbotax can correctly calculate your taxes. Following that, you'll need to click on Personal Profile. Here, you'll confirm and update any personal details such as your filing status, dependency information, and any other personal identifiers. This information forms the foundation for the rest of your tax filing, so verifying its accuracy is key. Throughout the process, if you encounter any uncertainties or need clarification, don't hesitate to use the various help resources available within Turbotax. Comprehensive guides and customer support can offer you additional assistance to make sure you're filing everything correctly. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to filing your taxes on Turbotax. Hopefully, breaking it down step by step has made the process seem less overwhelming. Happy filing!